Angelo, didn't you say during the webinar that you could add assessment sounds into the simulation? How do we do that? I don't remember. Well, let's go over it. So those of us familiar with Leap will be familiar with this particular part of the interface where you can select a bunch of pre-made sounds from these drop-downs. And then when the students assess the mannequin, those sounds are being played through speakers implanted in it all over the place. Cool thing about all of this, if these files for these sounds exist somewhere in the software, I can't find them. And without the mannequin changing this, it does nothing. It's an exercise in frustration. But I'm going to illustrate something I talked about during the webinar, how to use sounds that you have added before the case. Alright, so right here are all these vocal sounds. If you click on one of these and then click play, as long as you're sharing the audio as well as the picture from the lighthearted monitor software, all the participants will hear it. So there's the standard stuff that's in here. Which is all great, but if you go down to more sounds, you'll open up the vocal sounds library. So here's the vocal sounds library. Now you've got all the classics in here. If you open up the adult one, you can find a whole bunch of different speech options that are always great for a laugh.
Oh, I can't breathe and my chest hurts. Hell.
Which is great.
No, I'm not allergic to anything.
So use those if you feel like you need them. But you guys will see that I added this folder here. So let's open it up. And let's see what we got in here. We got just some random stuff in here. We got some heart sounds and some lung sounds mostly. I'm going to click on wheezing here, and then I'm going to click on play. And you guys can't really hear it because I've got my windows open and I'm filming on a cell phone. But right now, I can hear the sound of a wheezing.
There it is. Perfect.
And that, as they say, is that. And it is definitely not the next day. I haven't changed clothes, and I didn't forget to film the outro for this.